First established in 1998, Shandong Chenchan Machinery Incorporated Company is a professional manufacturer of woodworking CNC router, ATC CNC router, 4-axis and 5-axis CNC machinery, foam, wood, and EPS mold-making CNC machine, marble CNC engraver, multi-head 3-dimension CNC engraver, plasma cutting machine. Located in Qihe Economic Development Zone, Shandong Province, near Qingdao Port, we enjoy convenient transportation. Our company occupies 20,000 square meters modern plant, over 130 workers, 50 professional technicians, and facilitated by advanced machines like USA CNC Machining Center, large digital boring machine and planing machine, double housing planner, Taiwan AWEA Gantry CNC Center, USA Leader Metrology, 3 coordinates testing center, etc. Our annual production capacity is 1,000 sets. With export license CE and ISO 9001-2008 certificates, we export machines to Germany, USA, Canada, South Korea, Russia, India, Egypt, Brazil, Uzbekistan, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and so on. Our products gain wide praises at home and abroad for its reliable machinery, reasonable price, and high-quality service. Strict quality control is performed in every procedure, from material sourcing, processing, and testing to packing. Our tenet is seek for development through perfect quality, create brand through sincerity and credit. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation relationship and create a bright future with us together.